Hey guys, thank you for clicking on the video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Marie, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to crochet. It's all about the basics, all you need to know before attempting to crochet any item. So without further delay, grab your yarn and crochet hook and let's get started. To start off, you're going to make a slip knot. This is how I make a slip knot. I leave about this much of yarn and I roll the yarn around my finger. I take it out and I put this yarn inside of the already formed ring, and I pull this yarn over this side like that, and that's how I do it. That's how I make a slip knot. Step 2, you make a chain. A chain is necessary if you want to make any crochet item. So you must have a foundation chain, and the length of the chain depends on the item that you're making. If you're making a big or a lengthy thing, you make a long chain. If you're making something that is short, you just make a short chain. And this is how we make a chain. As you can see, my hook, this is the hook. I let it face me like that whenever I'm making a chain. So I'm going to grab this yarn, this one. I'm going to just grab it like that, and I'm going to slide my hook, my crochet hook, and then it's going to hook on the yarn, as you can see, and then it's just going to slide over the other side like that. So that is one chain that we've made. I'm going to make the second chain. I'm going to make sure that my hook is facing me. It's not facing the other side, it's not facing that side, it's facing me. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to grab my yarn with my hook like that, and I'll slide, and my hook is going to grab the yarn, and I'm going to make a chain. That's the second chain. That chain, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, like that. So that's a chain that I've made, and that is how you make a chain. The third step, I'll be showing you how to make a single crochet. This is how you make a single crochet. We have the first, so we are going to skip this first stitch, and you're going to go inside the second stitch, and you're going to enter your hook inside the second stitch, and you will be grabbing this yarn with your hook. You're going to grab it. Remember, it's facing you, so you grab your yarn like that, and then you're going to grab your yarn again and go through the 2 loops on your hook. You're going to go through the 2 loops all together like that. That is how you make a single crochet. Again, I'm going to enter my hook in the next stitch like that, and then I'm going to grab my yarn like so, and I'm going to pull it on the other side, and I'll yarn over the hook, and I'll go through the 2 loops like that. That is a single crochet, and I'm just going to go and complete this chain like that. You have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 like that. And you can see on top of these single crochets we have like V formed shapes on top. Yeah, so when I made a chain of 10, but right now there are 9 of them. That is because the 10th chain, the one that we skipped, that was also a chain, but when we start off making a single crochet, we don't make it on the first one, we make it on the second one. And when I want to go to the next row, I'll have to turn, but before turning I'm going to make a chain 1 like that, and then I'm going to turn my work like that. Then the second row, we're still going to make a single crochet, so I'm going to go onto my first stitch, which is this one, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to insert my hook in the stitch, and I'm going to grab my yarn like that with my hook, and I'll like that, and I'm going to go through the 2 loops like that. The same case with the next stitch. Like that. And the next thing, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. So you can continue doing this until the length of your choice. If you want a lengthy thing, if you want your project to be long, you can continue and make as many rows as you want. You can make 10 rows, 20 rows, 30, 40, while using your single crochet method. And I'm going to make a total of 10 rows, and then I'll come back and you'll see how it's going to be looking like. This is how it's looking like. And of course, if you want to finish your project here, you can just go ahead and make a chain, and then you can cut your yarn. And then pull your yarn like that, just like that, and then you can just go ahead and hide the yarn. Now that you've learned how to make a single crochet, check out my next video where I'll be showing you how to make a double crochet and a half double crochet. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.